Hi, I'm Shannon from Home Alchemy Living, and today I'm going to show you how to make candles using old candle jars in 5 easy steps, following my previous video on repurposing old candle jars. First, you're going to gather your supplies, which include clean candle jars of any size, scent oil, wax, a wick kit, and an old pot or a double boiler. For step 1, you're going to fill your jar, whichever size you use, all the way to the top with your wax, and then you're going to double that amount, simply because your wax is going to melt down to half. For step 2, grab your wick kit, and that should include stickers to attach the bottom of the candle jar, wicks, and wooden wick holders. You're then going to attach the sticker to the bottom of your clean candle jar. Then pull out one of the wicks and attach that to the sticker. You have to forgive me here, it took a few seconds to take the sticker backing off and attach it to the bottom of the candle jar. For your next step, you don't necessarily need a double boiler. I just used an old pot. So for step 3, you're going to start on low heat, melting your wax, stirring constantly until melted. Then you're going to add your fragrance oil, about 30 drops or so, for an 8-ounce candle jar. For step 4, using oven mitts, pour your melted wax into the candle jars and then slide the wooden candle wick over the wick to keep it in place while your candle solidifies. That could be anywhere from a few hours to overnight. Your last step, step 5, you're going to remove the wooden wick holder, trim your wick to the desired length, and let your candle cure for 24 to 48 hours for a paraffin wax candle or a week or so for soy. That's it. Thanks for watching. Give your candles as gifts this holiday season or enjoy for yourself. I'll include all links below.